whenever you do something over here, let's say for example, if I were to go ahead and rename this, then what happens is that it syncs up with OneDrive right here anytime I make a change for the synced out folders. But sometimes I don't want the sync to happen. So in that case, you can pause out the syncing as well. So over here for that, I can go around over here onto the OneDrive icon, click on it from the taskbar, and here what I can do is I can click on the gear icon and then pause up syncing. As you can see, you can choose like how long you want to pause the syncing for, or quit the OneDrive altogether to not have any syncing at all until you reopen OneDrive once more. But if I were to choose 2 hours, for example, then you can see that the icons right here disappears. So if I were to go around and make some changes, nothing is being synced out until 2 hours. So if you were to, let's say, for example, make an important change onto your document, then it won't sync. So it does risk you for losing the file if you don't save it properly, as the syncing is turned off. So you can wait for the syncing to be automatically turned back on, or you can go around over here back onto OneDrive right here. So OneDrive is here, as you can see. So you see the pause icon over here as well, that is active. So if you want to sync out everything once more, you can go around over here and then you can resume out syncing from over here manually as well. Once you do that, everything starts syncing back up again, as you can see right here, and then it'll store out any changes that there are, and it detects it out over here just like this as well. And that is what you have, and it says your files are synced, as you can see, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.